And I'm just gonna color change because it said color changes. It's gonna look really pretty. It looks almost like a galaxy. Hi everybody, welcome back to Teknikolor Sunglass Kids. I'm Cara.
And I'm Violet.
And today we're doing the
Nickelodeon versus Elmer slime challenge.
So let's get started.
I have the Elmer's slime kit, it's color changing.
And I have the What's Inside Nickelodeon kit.
So let's open it up. So let's see what's inside. I have Elmer's Magical Liquid. Instructions, which I will use. And since it's color changing, here's the thing that will make it color change. It's like this little light. Also, we have two glues. We have blue to purple, yellow to red, and another slime activator.
Okay, Violet, what do you have?
I have What's Inside. I have a blue box, and I'm going to see what's inside of it. I have clear slime glue and white glue and activator.
Okay, what's in your next box?
My next box is a pink What's Inside, and I have paint and some other things, which is glitter. Yay!
Okay, what's inside your last box?
Okay. It is a bowl, a few bowls, and a few cups with lids to put in the slime. Spoons and popsicles.
Okay, so let's get on to the slime.
I think I'm going to do the color changing blue to purple, and I'm going to put these two aside.
What are you gonna do, Violet? Which glue? White or clear?
I'm going to
see if it's
do
open.
clear.
Okay.
Should I put it in like this? I think I should.
One thing is that Cara's kit doesn't have a bowl, so we had to use our own, but Violet's does have a bowl and
Ooh, it's farting.
storage containers.
Ooh, that's good. Now I'm going to use the Elmer's Magical Liquid.
There we go. Violet, what add-ins are you gonna use?
I'm probably gonna use the magenta and the dark purple.
Okay. So,
I'm going to start
These two?
mixing now.
or like these two? Oh, okay.
So I'm going to start mixing now.
And do I put in that?
No. Paint first.
I'm gonna.
Those are
put
really
in
pretty colors.
I'll go put in my paint.
Just a little bit, because you still want it to be clear, right?
No.
Oh, then mind you, use clear glue.
It's just so there's slime on it. Slime that's still sticking on my fingers. That's mixing. I think I might add a little bit more because it's sticky. It's cool.
Remember, a little activator goes a long way, so just a little bit at a time.
That's really cool.
Is it sticky, Cara?
Yep.
Okay, keep on mixing.
One time I mixed the slime so much that when I took it out, it wasn't sticky. This looks like the blueberry ice cream almost. It's a bit sticky. I need to look at that.
Hurry. How's yours, Cara?
It's a little bit sticky, but it's slime.
How's yours, Violet?
Good. I needed a little more activator.
Are you gonna add in anything else?
I was gonna ask if I could do some glitter.
Okay, I'll get it ready for you.
What color are you gonna do, Vi?
I'm not sure what color.
I wonder. I need to get a color change because it said color changes.
You add the light to it.
That's gonna look really pretty. It looks almost like a galaxy. Ooh. This is one of my favorite colors.
Okay, Cara, can we see what happens when you put the light on? How is it, Vi?
Pulled off.
Good. I mean, I might need some more activator, but my hands are all slimy.
Let me let this
There you
drop
go.
real quick.
Thanks, Santa.
Okay, Cara. Do you need more activator, or can you show us?
I think I need to get a little bit. So my hands are really sticky right now.
Do you like it, Violet?
Yeah. It's just really sticky. I'll go put it back.
Yeah, I can't open it because of my hands are super sticky with the slime.
And it also comes in a resealable bag.
So I don't lose this. Like I had another jiggly slime with the light and I lost it.
Okay, let's see.
Hey, it's
Whoa.
purple. Look at that.
Here. Super cool.
Yeah, now I'm gonna mix it. And now it's gonna disappear. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next video.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.